Hello and welcome to a special episode of Laptop Retrospective. It's the end of 2020. I made it. I hope you did too. And I wanted to share a couple things. First off is just a thank you to the community as a whole for kind of walking through the journey as it's been so far. I've really appreciated all of the really cool people that I've had the opportunity to meet in the comments, interact with online, the emails that I've gotten, the comments that I get to read. Thank you for all of those things. And I hope to be able to deliver more content to you in 2021. As many YouTubers at this time, I have gotten a 2020 year in review, and there was some statistics that I thought would be kind of cool to share with you, the community. The first is, apparently in 2020, I uploaded 656 minutes of content. Since my very first upload, you, the fans, have hit the like button 46,856 times. Fans have left 7,644 comments, and you have shared my content 7,415 times. So thank you very much for that. In 2020, we netted 4,548 new subscribers to the channel and 1.1 million new views. Fans apparently took 61,536 hours in 2020 to watch your YouTube channel. That's incredible. I honestly can't even imagine a channel as small as mine getting those numbers, let alone what other bigger channels might get. Apparently, I responded to 11,359 comments in 2020. This year's been so much more than numbers. I was able to do some really amazing things. I was able to work on Project Kodachi, and if you haven't seen that series, David Hill makes a cameo appearance in an interview that I did with him. And by the way, you haven't heard the last from him. There were some other things that we talked about that day that will make it into future videos. I am confident of that. I did my first interview with another channel on Charbax, and that was really, really awesome. I enjoyed that thoroughly. If you're looking for some really good interviews, I would highly recommend his channel. We've crossed over the 14,000 subscriber line earlier this month, so thank you so much. Thank you for a good year for the channel in 2020, and I hope to have lots of fun stuff in store for you in 2021. So happy holidays, stay safe, and I will, as always, see you next time.